Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my Saturday showcase. And I am choosing to show what I got for my wish granted. I asked for anything ephemera, and this is a Facebook group. It is run by Sandi of Decorate Your Life, for which we do the Sunday. I do my Sunday project shares. We are on the design team, and look at this. Oh my gosh, look at this topper. So every one day of the week, we all post our project shares, and over on the Facebook group Decorate Your Life, we have a Wishing Wednesday where you can go in and make a wish, and somebody will grant your wish, you grant somebody else's wish, and what happens usually is we'll go through our stash and we will find things that we have way too many of. Maybe we'll find something like this that we've made several of to sell or to put in Happy Meals, and we just have those extras that we know aren't going anywhere. And we'll bag those up and send those out as a wish granted. Now, these I will put with my trims, but this beautiful, 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 beautiful bag I'm going to save because it is just absolutely, who gets a bag like this, right? Look at the charms, the little heart and key. So I'm going to hang on to that. Thank you, Sandy. And I'm going to re-gift that to somebody at Valentine's Day. All right, so we've got, these are one of my favorites. Look at this. She put the little locket on there. And these are those rosettes on lace I absolutely love. Is this too much light? Yes. Look at this. These I'm going to use in my project shares. Look at this. This is perfect. This is the kind of thing. Oh my goodness. This is amazing. This is the ladder trim. Ladder trim fringes lace. That is incredible. I'd love to know where she got that from. Look at the pink butterfly. Oh, that is just gorgeous. So this could be a part of your journal cover or cluster. Here we got a cluster. Look at this. This is just amazing. Oh, I love this one. I love, love, love. This is amazing stuff. Here we go. Look at the grapes. Oh, look at that. Boy, that's going to come in handy. And then some more. These are just some lace trims. This would be good for your greeting cards, journal page edges, clusters. How thoughtful. Oh, that's a very thoughtful share right there. Very thoughtful. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to have to show you the journal I made where this is going to go. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is cool. So I have a spot for this, and I have a very special spot for this. And I'll reveal these all later on. So beautiful, thoughtful. Thank you, Sandy. I love stuff like this. Love. Wow. This is good. A lot of this you can find, I don't know about these, but the beads for sure you can find in her shop. You'll just have to go over there. And if I have my code close by. Yeah, I put the journal away that I'm working on. You can find a lot of this. I don't know about these, but you can find a lot of this stuff in her shop. And look, 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 look. Oh my goodness. Another favorite. Another huge favorite. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so in love. Look. Look at these. I've been working on, oh my gosh, look. Oh, for my prayer journal. That's where this one's going, Sandy, my prayer journal. Look. Thanks. Rustic charm. Oh, these are gorgeous. Sweet memories. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Antique postcards. I see lots of clusters in my near future. In fact, let me see something real quick. Hold that thought, because I feel like I can put them in the right spot. Merciful Minerva. I have these 3D flowers. I sent some out to Etta, but I feel like they'll go good with that flower. Look. Y'all know I just told you about my big old fall themed Temu haul. Look at this. Oh, these are cute. X's and O's. I love this. Look, this is yeah, that's a sticker. Punch it today in the face. Oh yeah, look at this. Oh, and this is die cut and then put on a, oh my goodness. This is incredible. A touch of history. Look. That is beautiful. So here's some more. She fussy cut these herself, it looks like. She did. Her fussy cutting is just amazing. This is beautiful. When life was slower and love was handwritten. Yes. Look at this guy. Oh man, I know where I'm going to put those. And some frames. Guys, oh, you remember I showed it to you? I was going to make the passports. A yearbook. These are going to be perfect for that yearbook. Oh, yes. Look. How tiny. Whoop. More of the frames. This is just beautiful. Whispered stories. Love the frames. We'll have fun with those. Oh, look. Look how cute. Now I know for sure she fussy cut these. This is from one of her collections. Look. Oh, look. And I'm working on this right now. Oh my goodness. Sandy, you went above and then above, above, and beyond above and above. Yay, look at how, oh, look at the key, guys. Adventure. Look at the little clipboard. Oh, the steampunk light. Camera. Oh, look at the hinge, y'all. Look at the hinge. That'd be cool if there was two of those. Look at our jack-o'-lantern. Some more of the gorgeous flowers and a leaf. Do you know how hard that must have been to cut that, to fussy cut that? I'm telling you, I think she's the fussy cut queen. Here's a gorgeous tag, another beautiful tag, and yet another gorgeous tag. This is from the Christmas. I had that collection. I made a journal with it, but that's what that's from. Look at the Christmas tree. Gorgeous. The telephone. Oh, these are so sweet. Yes. Absolutely adorable. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have so much fun. Oh, that's cool. That's so cool. Look. Here's a pink one. This would go good in any one of her collections. So if you haven't been to her shop, you need to hop on over there. cameras, guys. The cameras, the keys, the cars. This is from the, I know I saw this in the She Said Yes, but look at how beautiful. I could never fussy cut like that. Look, look, look. She gave me extra cars. Oh, yes. Look at that. I am over the moon. I am over the moon. I love that guy. The unicorn collection. The unicorn collection. Oh, look. Look at them. Bookmark. Oh, Sandy. Thank you. My heart is absolutely touched beyond measure. Nobody does it like Miss Sandy. Nobody. So these I will get in my fussy cut collection, in my die cut collection. And then I'm going to sort it a little later. We're going to put some of those frames in our, take some of the yearbook pictures and I'm going to work on some clusters with this. Ooh, and some tags with this. And I don't know if Sandy was just born with this special gift of knowing what people need, but go look at her collections and you'll see what I mean. Get a few of her store items in your collection and you'll see in her designs, she's got the shabby chic look down pat, and she just knows her eye for designing is impeccable. And I know she works really hard, so thank you, Sandy, for your generous gift. This one, there's a lot of these I'm gonna put in my Bible journal, but for sure this one. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate you, Sandy. And thank you all for being here and being a part of my channel. Thank you so much for crafting with the Diva today. I truly appreciate you spending this creative time with me. If you've enjoyed this project, please like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, keep it creative, keep it inspired, and I'll see you soon.